Hello and welcome to the Colin the Maths Tutor YouTube channel. It's great to have you with us. I'll just spend a couple of minutes explaining what this channel is going to be about. What we'll do is we're going to post some maths worked examples, and we'll start with probably Key Stage 2, moving through Key Stage 3, 11 plus GCSE, and all the way up to A level. So we'll show some worked examples. What we're going to do first for the first few weeks is show some of the really difficult questions that have come up at GCSE. Now, I don't know if everybody's aware, but the examining boards produce a report, examiner's report, and the examiner's report tells us which questions were answered well, which questions were answered not so well, and how many marks on average, or the mean, I suppose we should say, as maths people, the mean mark for each question. So we know the questions that weren't answered so well and the students had difficulty with. So what we're going to do is post a few worked examples to those questions. If you're aiming for a grade 8 or 9, these are the sort of questions you should be doing well at, along with getting the vast majority of the rest of the paper right as well. Also, if you do have any questions that you think would be interesting for this channel, then you can send them to me in the email link on the channel. And if they're interesting enough, we can post up work solutions to those as well. But in the meantime, thanks again for joining us, and I hope you get some benefit from the videos. Thanks very much.